Yawns can be disruptive, appearing unexpectedly in various settings. To manage this common reflex, try cooling your brain by breathing through your nose, using an ice pack, or consuming chilled snacks like fruit. While the link between yawns and oxygen levels isn't strongly supported, deep breathing might still help. Since warmer environments can increase yawning, consider lowering the temperature of your surroundings. Staying in one place for extended periods can also lead to fatigue and yawning, so changing your scenery for fresh air can be beneficial. Additionally, staying hydrated and ensuring you get at least 7 hours of sleep each night are crucial in reducing frequent yawning. While some people associate yawns with conditions like allergies or acid reflux and find relief with decongestants or antacids, these remedies are situational. If excessive yawning persists, it's advisable to consult a doctor, as it could indicate underlying conditions such as sleep apnea, narcolepsy, or insomnia.